and me are your type. I want sun and shine, yeah, the hottest thing we outside.
Welcome to Owen Allen Media. So right now we're going to check out the smashing hit by Vybz Kartel and Shenseea, Panic. Right, this at the time of recording this video, Panic is sitting at #1 on US iTunes reggae chart. And also I noticed something very important. Bam Bam, right, is also sitting at #7 on the chart as a result of Vybz Kartel and Shenseea song, right? So Vybz Kartel and Shenseea song gave life to Bam Bam, and that is very important, right? So we're going to check out the song right now because this song is already a smash hit, right? So we're going to check it out right now.
Got him outside and not inside. When I saw you at the party and I had to say hi.
Skin bright, and me are your type. I want sun and shine, yeah, the hottest thing we outside.
Janu, me love how the song start off. Vybz Kartel say, yo, girl, you're outside, never inside. When I saw you at the party, I had to say hi. So Vybz Kartel is basically letting Shenseea know that, hey, listen, mama, I know say you're not homebody, you know. You use a girl who like to be outside, and you're supposed to be outside because you look good, you smell good, you know, you're cute and everything. So guess what? I saw you at the party and I had to say hi because you're outside. You know what I mean? You're not home. You're not a homebody, and you're not supposed to be in the home. Girls will look good like this, not supposed to lock up in a house like, I watch what? I watch TV? No, you're supposed to outside and enjoy yourself. Shenseea say, yo, skin bright and me are your type. Shenseea no easy, you know. Shenseea no easy. Shenseea, I let Vybz Kartel know that Shenseea is aware of Vybz Kartel type. Shorty chrome out, Vybz Kartel, baby mother, Adiana mother chrome out, Vybz Kartel son them and other daughter, baby mother them, all of them chrome out, right? And all when sun a shine, I mean the hottest thing outside. So Shenseea say, yo, listen, when the sun a shine, me hotter than the hurt core. You see me hotter than the hurt. Me hotter than above the hurt, the atmosphere, everything. Me hotter than everything when the sun a shine. You see me? Radiation vibe. Skin scorching hurt. Vibes. Funny enough, Vybz Kartel have a song titled Scorch Earth. So Shenseea say, yo, listen, me a scorch earth. The sun not have nothing for me. Fully hot.
Open it like a red sea, I get past. Stop it and take it anywhere the car park. You are the general, you never fast start. But see what push them, your man a push a hand, yeah.
Yo, Shenseea say, yo, open it like when the Red Sea I get part. So open her legs like when the Red Sea apart. You know what I mean? Open her little clean, nice little thing like when the Red Sea I get. So two opening that take place. Legs I get open. I get open. You see me? And Shenseea say, yo, grab it and take it anywhere the car park. So anywhere, and if we are drive on the highway right now and you feel like so you need it, grab it and park the car and take it. You see me? A broad bus, yeah, push on a hand car. You know, a broad bus is like a custom, more high-end vehicle, right? When you have broad bus, say for instance, you know, a Vybz Kartel say Ben Spunani. So for instance, you have a Vybz Kartel have a G-Wagon. So say for instance, Vybz Kartel have his G-Wagon, you know what I mean, broad bus. So what am I going to do now? I'm going to get the broad bus version where the broad bus have more performance than the regular vehicles, you know what I mean, suspension, everything get tuned up, and it's just better. You see me? So when Vybz Kartel push the broad bus, Shenseea is basically saying that Vybz Kartel have that high performance. He can perform because him at the general and him never fast start. You see me? So fast start, you know, when athletes fast start, the race have to start over. So basically if Vybz Kartel come first, then you know so the race is over. The race done before it even starts. So Vybz Kartel the general never fast start. You see me? But
Bounce with it, girl. Move with it, girl. Wine on it, girl. Take time on it, girl.
I love this. Bounce with it, girl. Tick tock. Vybz Kartel is basically using the Fever blueprint in this song. There's a lot of things happening. There's a lot of things happening in this song all at once. From the Bam Bam similarity, the 90s, the music video, the dressing, all of these other things. Vybz Kartel is also using the Fever blueprint. Vybz Kartel start the song in English the same way he started Fever in English, right? Because he's targeting a target audience, and him know the audience when my target international level, while not diluting, you know what I mean, the raw, authentic Jamaican pure dancehall. And that is very important. So I love how Vybz Kartel I basically use the Fever blueprint in this song. But baby, Shenseea cutie, me love this. I love this and what Vybz Kartel is doing. You know, me a prophet, you know. Because I said to myself, say, yo, me need Vybz Kartel for release a big song, a bad song, where him allow the beat to take over. Allow the beat to take over. Allow the beat to do the heavy lifting. And this is exactly what Kartel is doing in this song. And I love it. Because when you look at the Grammys, it no matter how this song sell gold or sell platinum or anything, that this song will eventually sell in 2026 and going forward, and the milestone where it go break, none of that matters. When the Grammy voters are listening to a dancehall album with a dancehall classic track like this, a record, right? Them need to hear that pure dancehall, and this is pure dancehall. So Vybz Kartel and his team, Shenseea team, they are very smart in packaging this song for our Grammy, basically. Cause when Alex Anteos, the 30 recording Grammy voter, he said a dancehall album will win the Grammy. So when him sit down and I listen to this song, right, on Vybz Kartel album that will be nominated for a Grammy next year, what do you think I go happen? No, you tell me in the comments what you really think I go happen, because it's their preference, right? That Grammy voters' preference make Grammy artists or artists that are nominated for the Grammy win the Grammy. So if a man sit down and really listen to a song like this, whoa, dancehall, this I'll want a dancer, I feel move to a song like this. I wish the entire album have this cultural feel to it. You see me? Very important, man. Just cool now.
You want the thing with tighter than a syringe. And when me say you act, you know me and win. Still on in a middle, but I know Santa a grinch. I bubble when we done let you receive every inch. You have the thing with tighter than a syringe. So Vybz Kartel said, yo, Shenseea, well tight. You're tight so till it has body that chip off, it has squeeze me. Tight. You see me? Come like a syringe, you put bust. You know a syringe will bust our finger, man. You see me? So, you know, put more bust our body. Just broke it. Yeah, me don't want to get to X-rated already, but wanna get the picture. When you sit down for me, and a Santa lap you sit down in a Grinch. You know, a Vybz Kartel say Grinch, the Grinch team. You see me? Yeah, when the Santa Claus Christmas time, some little pitney stuff. You see me? No, at the Grinch this. You know what I mean? I play with it.
Remember say good body get things. You have to watch it out, you have to binge. Head tap when me spin like rings. You full of girl, but me at the lad of the rings.
Shenseea no easy, no. Shenseea say, yo, remember say good body like she with a tight nookie get things and I forget things. You know what I mean? Good body like she, I forget things. And guess what? Vybz Kartel can have a lot of girls. Girl, I run down the Gaza youth. Where you expect me to do? Love them. So all of the girls them we are run down Vybz Kartel. What you think I got them? Vybz Kartel I gonna love them, but at the end of the day, as she have the ring on her finger, as she get the ring, you see me, as she have the ring, as she have the wife a yard, and as she Vybz Kartel I go back home too. You know what I mean? And to a Vybz Kartel love her body and she have the ring, you know Vybz Kartel I watch it pums. Shenseea say Vybz Kartel. Shenseea say Vybz Kartel I watch it pums, and to a Vybz Kartel watch it pums, him a binge watch the pums. You know, like when you watch a Netflix series and you start episode 1, you don't know how good it gonna be. You realize, say, yo, no man, season 1, episode 1, bad. You see me?
Next thing you know, you're upon episode 2, episode 3 until you binge watch the entire series in a one day, in a one go. So Vybz Kartel a binge watch Shenseea Pum Pum. God no. Yo, if you say this song bad like AIDS, eh? Oh God.
Bounce with it, bounce with the gal. Move with it, move with the gal. Wine on it, wine on the gal.
Jeez, yo, proud of Kartel. I am proud of Vybz Kartel. I am proud of Shenseea. I am proud of dancehall and what dancehall is offering to the world in 2026 with a hit record like this. I am very proud. I am a very proud Shenyang. I am a very proud Gaza nation. Fully Shenyang, fully Gaza nation. And I'm very proud. Big up the king and big up the princess. You see me, of dancehall. God know youth. God know youth, my proud. And I feel good for know say Kartel come do it again. After doing it for so many years, over and over and over again. And when Kartel now have to prove himself, him still do it again. You see me? And him not if him ask Kartel how him do it, him not know him do it. Highest level. Highest level. Bad song. Everything about this song is great. Everything about this song is amazing. Everything about this song is amazing. I love it. Love it. Yeah, man. Big up Shenseea, big up Kartel. You know what I mean? Owen Allen Media, we keep you informed.